Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Kicking off with football, the semi-finals of the ISSA Champions Cup takes place this afternoon with a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Clarendon College will battle Hydel High in the first semi-final at 3 p.m. Another Clarendon team, Glenmuir, will face off with last season's beaten finalists Kingston College in the second semi-final. This kicking off at 5:15 p.m. The defending champions Mount Pleasant FC maintained their impressive lead atop the Jamaica Premier League standings after coming from behind to beat former champions Montego Bay United 2-1 at Westbow Park on Monday. Johan Weatherly gave Mobay United the lead in the 69th minute, but Sule McCullough with a 77th minute equaliser and Okwasa Chong with an 82nd minute goal ensured Mount Pleasant secured all 3 points to make it 6 wins from 6 so far in the league to move to 18 points.
To me, it was a lukewarm performance, especially in the first half of the game. I think we never equip ourselves and adjust to situation. But I think the second half we made some adjustment. We've been more patient when we have the football, and I think it paid off in the end.
A tough loss. I mean, we played a very good game against maybe the strongest team in the island. We match them in terms of marking, and we create more opportunities to score than them. But in the end of the day, we lost because they created.
Noble Bay, who suffered their 4th defeat of the season, stayed in 11th place. In other matches, Humber Lion beat Waterhouse 1-0 at the Stadium East complex. Javane Thompson found the target in the 13th minute. With the win, Humber Lion moved to 4th place on 11 points, the same as 3rd placed Portmore United, who played to a 0-0 draw with 5th placed Tivoli Gardens. Harbourview FC will battle Mocha FC in the Dominican Republic at the National Stadium. And defending champions Julian Morrison and Mary Mafood retained their respective titles at the All Jamaica Squash Junior, Senior and Junior Open held at the Ligony Club over the weekend. Morrison, now a 2-time national senior men's champion, recovered from a set down to defeat Ashanti Smith 6-11, 11-4, 11-8, 11-7. Meanwhile, Mafood repeated as national senior women's champion following straight sets victory over her cousin Lauren Mafood. In a match lasting less than 30 minutes, Mary won 11-3, 11-5, 11-5. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Prime Time News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.